Mary and I have been together for about 12 and a half years.
We were at a church retreat. We were adult team members for high school kids through the Catholic Church. We just became immediate friends. That was in 1992. And then became a couple in 1997.
Marriage is a word that everybody recognizes. You don't have to qualify your relationship other than saying that you're married, and people know what that means.
I fell in love with somebody, and I fell in love with them for the rest of my life, and the best part about it is she loves me too. So did I set out to be gay married or gay? No. But I found the person that I believe with my whole heart was made for me.
We do what everybody else does. We watch cartoons, we sleep in on Saturdays, we get a babysitter sometimes and go out, but mostly we go do family things. You know, I mean, nothing about that is really different.
Rico, come here.
This is our neighbor, Rob.
Hello.
These are our vacation friends.
Yeah, we've
now decided that, we vacation well together.
For me, it's just a different way to have a family. They live their life, they have the same problems we do, they have their kids running around like ours, and I'm glad that people can live their lives like Mary and Steph do. The whole point is love and family, and it doesn't matter whether they're gay or not. It is a family. And I'm glad my kids can see this. I'm glad that my kids are just like, this is another family, and this is just the way it is, and it's norm. Come on, France!
The message that we're trying to get out there is that regardless of someone's sexual orientation, they're a vibrant part of this state and they should be valued and respected in the laws and in the understanding and implementation of those laws. Lambda Legal introduced a case in 2007 on behalf of 6 same-sex couples. The court made a summary judgment in August of 2007 on our behalf. The ruling was immediately appealed to the Iowa Supreme Court. The Iowa Supreme Court issued its decision on April 3rd of 2009, a unanimous decision in favor of marriage equality, recognizing civil marriage for gay and lesbian couples. Within that first week, about 350 couples applied for licenses.
You know, that was an amazing day. These people took a very strong step forward. I mean, and it was a risky step. And of course, people disagree with it. People disagree with it right here in Iowa. But they stepped up and said, as people, as Iowans, everybody should be treated with the same rules. And denying them is nothing short of taking away their right to pursue happiness.
The day of the rally, when the ruling came out, it had been raining for days, and that day the clouds parted and the sunshine came out, and it was beautiful, and people came out and celebrated. I think it's something that you're so close to it, you maybe don't always feel everything, and so I'm driving home and I'm looking at all these houses, and I'm realizing that my relationship is equal to my neighbors in every sense now.
I think it was really surprising to people because, you know, here we are in Iowa, we're the Heartland, we put the Mid and Midwest. We're not one of the activist, leftist coasts where crazy things have been known to happen. You know, this is right where people are supposed to be balanced and slow to make decisions and not reactive. And here we are making a decision that some would think is pretty out there. I think it sent a really neat message that if fairness and equality were being celebrated in Iowa, they should be celebrated everywhere else.
Hey, I found some clothes for you. We always knew we would have a family, and after spending a couple of years trying to have children, for us it just didn't work. And so we moved on to adoption and then found, wow, why didn't we do this sooner? Because then we have a beautiful older daughter, Frances, and then not too far after that, Audrey came along.
Also beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful.
the child that you're destined to raise will find you. And in our case, they were like falling from the sky. I can't imagine them anywhere but with us. And I can't imagine my life without them. Thanks to all the people who've come before us and done so much hard work, all the organizations, the Gill Foundation, here in Iowa, One Iowa, certainly Lambda Legal, and all the individuals who've been working for this for years. The world's just kind of turned forward and allowed this door to open, that we were only able to create our family through adoption with no problems, but now we're legally married and can protect our family.